Alright, so I just parked, put the coins into the meter, and gonna walk to the Apple store. This is the Apple store in Beaver Creek, Ohio, the green. Let's see what the Apple store looks like on iPhone 12 Pro Max release day. Alright, follow me. So I think it's right next to the Bath and Body Works at the green. Right now it's like 12:30 on a Friday afternoon. Look how long the line is. You know, it's crazy. So this is the Apple store in the green, and it's by appointment only.
Are you vlogging?
Yes, sir. Driving Addict is my channel. Driving Addict.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, driving addicts, like addicted to driving. Yeah. So this is the Apple store in at the green, and it's by appointment only. And I'm a little bit late, but I think they'll let me in. So I just got the iPhone 12 Pro Max, 500 gig Go. It's unlocked, but today they don't let me inside the store to shoot the video, so we're just gonna go home and do this unboxing at home. Alright, so iPhone 12 Pro Max, and so excited to unbox it. Follow me home, I guess. Hi Driving Addict fans, welcome to my YouTube channel, Driving Addict. Today we're doing a video of unboxing iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I pre-ordered this a week ago on apple.com, Apple's official website. So I bought the iPhone 12 Pro Max Go, 512 gigabyte unlocked, and let's take a look what's inside the box. Alright, so I haven't opened this. I came to pick it up a couple hours ago. So this is what the exterior looks like. So the box is like black and gold, and of course it's still made in China. All right, let's open up, see what's inside. All right, so it's like a black and gold box. And I hear the iPhone 12 Pro Max doesn't come with like charging charger and accessories and stuff. So, alright, so it still looks exactly like, really similar to the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Still got the three front-facing cameras, and yeah, I really like the exterior of the iPhone 12 Pro Max compared to the 11. It's sharp edges, and look at the screen. It's beautiful. All right, so you got the lightning charging cable. That's all you have in the box, just the phone and the charging cable. All right, let's see what the screen looks like. All right, so there you have it, iPhone 12 Pro Max. Keep in mind that it only comes with the phone and the charging cable, so you gotta buy your own charging port. I highly recommend the one from Anchor. You can get it on Amazon. Doesn't come with headphones or earpods, whatever. But the design is beautiful, very sleek and beautiful phone. Can't wait to test it out. Thanks everybody for watching this video of unboxing iPhone 12 Pro Max. Have a nice day, everybody. Stay safe out there.